What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vintage Air. I'm Billy. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about insulating your vehicle. We're going to actually use a ceramic coating. This is brought to you by LizardSkin here. You can get this applicator with the gun, the paddle, and all that. Now, this stuff actually takes about 15 degrees of heat out of your vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to explain to you how to go ahead and tape off your vehicle. You do not want this stuff to get on anything. Go ahead and tape it up. Make sure it's covered, because once it's dry, that's it. Just a quick demonstration real quick here. This cup is filled with hot water, okay? Here's our gauge right here. That's the coated side. Let's turn it to the part that's not coated, and you can see the temperature difference there, okay? That's how much of a difference it's gonna make in your vehicle. So this is a regular belt. Okay, this is a belt coated with the sound deadening solution. So that's also available through Vintage Air. So if you have any questions, get with our sales guys and they'll hook you up. Once again, from Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool.